Hello everyone and welcome to our program. All you need is a bio. Today in our program we are going to speak about a specific biome, deserts.
We have 4 reporters located in 4 different zones of Earth to speak about this amazing biome. Please, Julia, are you there?
Hello everyone and welcome to our program. First, we are going to explain the word biome. A biome is a large region with a certain climate and certain types of living things. The location of each biome is determined by the regional climate. Deserts are aseasonal, since they do not belong to any particular climate, and can be in the tropical zone and in the temperate zone. Deserts are dry areas that experience extremely small amounts of rainfall. Many people assume that all deserts are hot. This is not the case, as deserts can be either hot or cold. Also, few animals and plants are adapted to extremely dry desert life. The desert is a vital biome. Deserts are important because they cover about a fifth of the Earth's surface. This biome has a layer of soil that can either be sandy, icy, gravelly, or stony, depending on the type of desert. About the climate in the desert biome, weather is not the same in all deserts. There are both hot and cold deserts. I'm going to speak about the temperature in the deserts. Antarctica is the largest cold desert in the world, while the Sahara in Africa is the largest of the hot deserts. Hot deserts are usually very hot during the day, 38 grades, and at night can fall to an average of -3.9. Cold deserts have short, moist summers and long, cold winters. The winter temperature ranges from 10 to -14 grades or below. As you can see, the temperature is extremely in desert biome. Here you can see a graphic about the temperature in hot deserts. Now my co-worker Celia is going to speak about the main characteristic of precipitation. Celia, are you there? Celia, are you there?
Hi, my name is Celia. Thank you, Julia. As you can see, I am in the biggest desert biome, the Sahara Desert. Wow! I'm going to speak about the precipitation, vegetation, and the main animals who live in the desert biome. So, do you think there is any precipitation with extreme temperature? The average precipitation is about 25 centimeters of rain during the year. Deserts are the driest places on Earth. They get little rain. Most of the time, the rain evaporates before hitting the ground. Of course, in the cold deserts, the precipitation occurs in the form of snow or fog. The cause of not precipitations are the following: because of the anticyclones, and in temperate zones, deserts are inside valleys, so the mountains act like walls and don't let the clouds get inside the valley. Here you can find a graphic of precipitation in deserts in a year. As you can see, desert biome gets the least amount of rain of all the biomes. And do you think in this dry biome you can find some kind of plants? It is difficult, but the answer is yes. You can find some cacti, small bushes, and short grasses. Desert plants have many adaptations to survive in this dry environment. You won't see a lot of tall trees in the desert. Most of these plants store water in their stems, leaves, or trunks, so they can survive a long time without water. They have a large root system. Many desert plants have sharp spines to protect them from animals. Plants in cold deserts include algae, grasses, and plants with spiny thin leaves. And you will ask yourself, is there animal life in the desert biome? The answer is absolutely yes. The desert biome is very important. Some of the animals that live in the hot deserts are cold-blooded, like snakes, insects, and lizards. Mammals that live in the desert are usually small, such as the kangaroo, rat, and kid's fox. On the other side, few animals live in the cold desert, like seals, penguins, and other birds. Now, my coworker Jimena is going to speak about the problems that desert biomes have to deal with.
Hello class, I'm Jimena, and now I'm going to tell you a different problem that the desert biome has, with details so that you can inform yourself well. One of the many problems that the desert biome has is the semi-arid climate. Semi-arid means somewhat dry, so it's a dry climate. Thus has a lack of precipitation, with a result of drought. Drought can be a very dangerous place for some living things that live there. The semi-arid climate has a rate of precipitation between 250 and 500 millimeters. Another problem is global warming. It's very difficult to understand that global warming has any harmful effect on the world's hot desert, but even small changes in temperature or precipitation could strongly affect the fauna and flora that live in desert. And the last problem that I'm going to say of the many that there are is desertification. Desertification is the loss of animal and plant in dry areas, that is in arid and semi-arid lands, as well as decrease in agriculture production. And now my partner Sofia is going to give you the solution of each of these problems.
Hello everyone, I'm Sophia and I'm going to tell you the solutions of those problems that the desert biome has. The first of them is the global warming. We can use existing water resources and better control salinization to improve arid lands and find new ways to rotate crops or protect the fragile soil. Another problem is the semi-arid climate. There are not many solutions to this problem, but there are some like this. Develop crops with high tolerance to extreme conditions and implement irrigation of systems more suitable for the desert. And the last problem is the desertification. Some of the measures that can help prevent desertification are: coordinate the management of land and water resources to protect the soil and protect the vegetation cover, which can play a primary role in protecting the soil against soil erosion, wind and water. And the last solution is combine traditional land exploitation methods with accepted technology.
Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next program that is about cells. Bye!